Today I am reviewing the Microderm GLO Diamond Microdermabrasion machine. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The first thing you notice when you start a treatment is the build quality of the diamond tip. Unlike cheaper versions that use messy crystals which can get into your eyes or mouth, this uses a high-quality diamond exfoliation head. When you glide it over your skin, you can immediately feel it working to buff away that dull, dead outer layer of skin cells that most liquid exfoliants just can't reach. The sensation is satisfyingly gritty, but never painful, and that is largely due to their patented diamond-safe 3D suction technology. This is a huge deal because one of the biggest fears people have with at-home suction tools is bruising or scratching their face. This system manages the air pressure so effectively that it stays gentle even on sensitive areas, while still being powerful enough to clear out pores and stimulate blood flow. The claim that it can take years off your face might sound like marketing hyperbole, but once you see the filter inside the machine after just one 4-minute session, you'll be a believer. It is both gross and incredibly rewarding to see the physical evidence of the debris and dead skin that was sitting on your face, clogging your pores, and making your complexion look muddy. After the very first use, the texture change is undeniable. Your skin feels incredibly soft, almost like glass, and because you've removed that barrier of dead cells, your expensive serums and moisturizers actually sink in and work the way they are supposed to. If you struggle with uneven skin tone, acne scarring, or those fine lines that seem to make makeup settle in all the wrong places, this is where the machine really shines. Over the course of a few weeks, the deep exfoliation encourages natural cell turnover and collagen production. You start to see those dark spots from old breakouts begin to fade, and your pores look significantly smaller because they aren't being stretched out by gunk anymore. It gives you that glow that usually only comes from a professional facial or a really good Instagram filter, but it is actually your real skin. The efficiency is another major plus. We are all busy, and the fact that you can get a full face treatment done in about 4 minutes is a total game changer. It is easy to fit into a Sunday night routine or even a quick refresh before a big event. It is safe for all skin types, and as someone who has dealt with redness in the past, I was pleasantly surprised that my skin didn't stay irritated. There is a slight flush right after use because of the increased circulation, which is actually a good sign of healing, but it settles down quickly into a healthy radiance. Investing in this system is essentially like buying a lifetime pass to a skincare clinic. When you calculate the cost of a single professional microdermabrasion session, this machine pays for itself in just 2 uses. It is effective, it is built to last, and it delivers on the promise of smoother, younger-looking skin without any of the risks of more invasive procedures. It has truly simplified my skincare routine while delivering results that are honestly better than most high-end topical creams I have tried. If you're serious about anti-aging and want skin that looks stunning in person and not just in photos, this is an absolute must-have tool.